Hello, wonderful people. It's your boy again, Green Badge from New Forex Academy. Okay, so today we are going to look at our SMC Smart Money Money Project. SMC Smart Money Easy Money Project. So here we are currently in a trade in volatility 25, which is one of Deriv's synthetic indices. So we are just going to have an overview of our trade setup. What we advise to notice before taking a trade. So before we take any trade, we have to make sure that we are in a trending market. If we look at this M15 time frame, this is a downtrend. The market is going down. Okay. If we go to the M5 time frame, we see again that the current move, it is a downtrend. The trend is going down, price is becoming lower and lower, and then if we switch even to the 1 minute time frame, we'll go and notice that our price is moving in a downtrend. Overall, it's a downtrend. Even the last move is a downtrend. Okay, so what we need first of all before looking for a position to enter is a higher time frame order block or a change in character. So first of all, we had a change in character in the M15 time frame. Right here at the top, we had this low, which was broken up here. And when this low was broken, we managed to have a new trend, and then the market put back here, and then it came straight down. Okay, so this was our change in character. This is our change in character. Let's name it change of character right here, represented by the yellow line. Okay, and then price came back to the order block, which broke structure, which resulted in the formation of the change of character, which was the last bullish candle in the uptrend. Okay, so price came back to this point, and then if we were to enter, we would enter right here when price comes back and would catch the whole move. But if we miss this move, we said we would switch to lower time frames to go and look for more entries, and that exactly happened right here at the top. Let's see, price was moving in a downtrend, breaking this low, price broke this low. Okay, price also broke this low. So when price broke this low, it then came back, retested this order block, but it is too big for us to enter. As we said, we need smaller order blocks for our stop losses to be at a minimum size. And then price came again and it broke this low right here. This low was broken, and then price came back to this last bullish candle before the fall, which is our order block. And when price came to that spot, it went into it, our order block, which was supposed to give us our entry. Okay, so let's say this was our order block. Okay, and here we would have an entry. So this was our entry point right here, entry. The bottom red line, this one was our entry, this one, and then our stop loss will be slightly above. Our stop loss would be slightly above this order block right here. This will be our stop loss right here. And as we know that the trend is still in a downtrending market, would expect the move to last even longer. So if we miss this move again, let's go to the 1 minute time frame and see where else we could have entered. As we can see, price came here and it broke this low here, and then price pulled back to this order block right here. This could be an entry point, also having our order block as this one. This is our order block in yellow, and this would be our entry, and slightly above the order block would have our stop loss right here, and our take profit would target a lower low in higher time frames, and right now the lowest low is this point right here. We have this point right here, this week right here. This would be our take profit, and would wait for price to pull back to go straight to this red line. Okay, so that would be our take profit. Okay, so if we look at this move again, if we missed this entry, we would use this order block as an entry. Why? Because it broke this structure again. This previous low was broken here with this impulsive move, and then price came back to that order block, and that's where exactly we entered. As you can see, this sell position, it was made off this order block. Our stop loss was slightly here, slightly above here, but because our trade is now in profit, we had shifted it to break even. Now it is even much more deeper in profits. We can move our stop loss to somewhere halfway so that we don't get a pullback that will take all our profits. So as you can see, forex trading with the smart money concept, respecting change of character and the order blocks, we have a bigger reward ratio, and we'll be trading risk with a lower risk. If we again miss this entry, there's this order block which would have been a good entry. We also have this order block right here. This had a good entry also. We had also this order block which would give us another entry. Okay, so if you are someone who's interested in staking a lot of positions, you could have started putting positions right here at the top where the change of character happened. When we saw that we are now in a downtrend, we could have started even placing positions from here where we had a change of character. This was our uptrend, and price broke the structure here, and then it started doing this pullbacks, broke structure, came down, broke structure. Even here we could use this one. This is an impulse move, broke our structure. This is an order block, entry there. If we move down, okay, we move down, would notice that we could have more entries as the move was going down. We could have more entries until here where we noticed our entry point. So the last entry point was here at 1933. At this point right here, this was our last order block that had a successful execution. So trading with order blocks and the smart money concept gives you an edge of the market, because you'll be trading with a smaller stop loss and a bigger range for the take profit level. So we say happy trading, smart trading. Let's eradicate poverty with this strategy. Let's follow this strategy and let's make sure that we make a lot of money off it. Let's make a lot of money through it. Until next time, let's see you in the next video. It's your boy Green Badge from New Forex Trading. Happy trading, smart trading.